Carrie here from HomesteadHow. In today's episode, we're going to set up this. We have 1,000-pound, 6 boxes. It's from Backyard Discovery. It's a beautiful gazebo. We're going to set it up on our homestead. We got a little cool area over here next to our fire pit. And the girls are all going to help me, and we're going to see if we can get it all set up in today's episode.
It's a little thumbs up means yes, bro.
We're going to quickly show you this build and how amazing this comes together. We're going to start the project by laying out all of the pieces. They're all numbered. This is a great tip if you're doing any building project, is get organized early. There's a lot of pieces here, but they go together pretty quickly, as you'll see in this video. So you learn something new every day. I've done a ton of projects here. This one came with some really nice paper directions, but they also had this app that I want to show you here. This thing was awesome. So this is the directions, optional directions. You have the paper directions. This is completely 3D. You can move it around. You go step by step and you just push a button and it shows you, okay, you put those screws in and it goes right there. So you can't mess it up. You can physically see exactly what it needs to do. They have this for each step. This made this a breeze to put together. So this kit comes with all the tools you need, but if you have some power tools, that will definitely speed up the process. Just make sure you don't over torque anything and you be very careful not to over tighten anything. So it looks like a ton of boards there, but the majority of those are for the roofing. And now we have the 4 corners of the roof up and we're really making some good progress. Baxter found a friend in the woods, but we're making some good progress here and I'm really impressed with the hardware on this thing. It looks great, these big metal brackets. It's going to be very, very secure. It's always more fun doing a project with the whole family, and the girls' building skills are certainly improving. They did most of this roofing all by themselves, and it's a clever design. So you put all of the roof up in this long piece, but then it divides up into 3 sections so you can easily lift it onto the roof, which I'll tell you what, it's a lot easier than putting those metal panels on the roof and then trying to climb up there and screw them in. Not necessary at all with the way they designed this.
She loves to jelly roll. Yes, she do.
So we're almost done with this. We're at one of the last steps. We have this ridge cap and it comes with this wood that goes in it so you can put it up there without climbing on the roof, and then you come underneath and you screw it in. This thing is looking really, really good. I just put all of the trim on the sides. Katie, give me the camera. I'll show them the trim up here. All that trim is on up there, and now we're just going to put the ridge cap up there. So we're fortunate to have this bucket truck. I thought I'd use it a lot more for this project, but honestly, I didn't need it at all. In fact, I'm using it for this ridge cap here, but I could have just used the ladder you see in the background just as easily. So with the ridge cap on there, I went underneath and screwed it all in, and the project is complete. This thing looks absolutely amazing. We've got several gazebos we've put up on the property over the years, and this is by far the nicest one with the real cedar. It smells great, and then this black hardware they have on there looks great as well. I could just tell from the build quality we're going to have this for an entire lifetime. Really, really happy with how this turned out. A great addition to our homestead for sure. And I had a great time doing another project with the girls and the family here on our homestead. So we're all finished. The girls, Jen and I, put this entire cedar gazebo together. It's absolutely beautiful. Still smells great. Has that great cedar smell. Really happy with this build quality. Big heavy beams, as you can see there in the corner. Metal brackets all the way around it. Nice black steel hardware to hold everything together. This thing is going to last a lifetime, and the girls and I were able to put it together. It took maybe a day or two. We kind of went slow at it, but they also thought of all that. That was very easy. You build the whole side of the roof section, but then it's 3 sections. You put one up at a time. The girls and I were able to do that in Jen. It was really easy to do. And then the ridge cap that goes on the top, you don't even have to walk on the roof. The ridge cap, they've engineered it so you can slide it on the top and then you screw it in from underneath. So this thing looks great. We got a beautiful patio set out here with some nice swivel chairs, a little picnic table. We got some Bluetooth speakers. We're going to put some lights up, but this is going to be an amazing outdoor space, covered from the rain and the weather as we needed it in the sun. It's going to be here for years to come. We're really happy with this. It's from Backyard Discovery, and it's pretty awesome what you can order on the internet and have delivered, just like we did with this entire gazebo. Thanks a lot for watching. Here's some of our favorite photographs we took on and about our homestead this week.